Hi, welcome to this channel. My name is Oliver and today we're gonna have another trading session with binary options on a platform called Quotex, the platform I usually trade on. The link is gonna be in the description to this video, as well as an invitation link to the channel in the Telegram, where me and my team, we share a lot of useful information about trading in general and specifically with binary options. So let's start today's session. And today we're gonna go ahead and start with 380 and we're going for a call option straight away. And why did I do that is because first of all, we have 2 minutes here instead of one. And I did that because the trend, the bullish trend had formed there. We have a few strong candles there, strong bars, and we are expecting a rise in price in this. So let's wait for the result and we'll see. And here is the first profit. It's 710 from just this one. Obviously we have used a higher number of the option than usual, 380 we started with, which makes a nice difference when it works out. You get the pretty big profit. As you can see, we have already ZigZag drawing the correct indication, and the price was going up. Here it meets actually the resistance level, so that's gonna probably change. But let's go to this one here, 712, and let's have a look here. Maybe actually here, for example, we see that there was a flat market for a while, a few candles, and then we had a massive green candle. That's a good indication actually for a rising trend, and it broke actually the resistance level. So there we are. Let's wait for the result of this one. So usually, I mean, there is another level, a resistance level, that you would need to break here, but generally the strong candles like this, they indicate a pretty strong impulse of whichever way it is. In this case it's the bullish impulse, and we're here to expect, as you can see, the next one is pretty big as well. So maybe, I mean, it depends if it's gonna break through this resistance level here, but most likely it might not just break through it like this. It needs to get a bit more power at this point, and then maybe it will go through. So it needs to enter into another flat, in other words. Just change this to 1 minute. So it's just too long, 2 minutes. Okay, that's why I try to use like 1 minute usually, otherwise it gets just too long sometimes. Actually, look, it might just break through. Wow, maybe it will. But will it have power to stay there? That's another question. So it might break through and then come back to kind of a pullback and collect some more power, and then go into the bullish again. But this looks pretty good actually. This okay, there we are. We have a nice profit from this one, 1,331. You see, it just fell because this resistance level is hard to break. So as I said, it might enter into another kind of a flat. Here is similar. we have the bullish trend, there is a flat, so just the same situation. I'm doing the same as in the last one. So a 1 minute instead of 2 minutes, as it was too long. And let's see the result, because this has very similar situation. It goes up and then enters into a flat where it can collect some power and then goes up again. At least right now, the zigzag here is also acting as a resistance line, which we're trying to break through. It almost broke it down, but it depends. We'll see, because it could happen. It can happen both ways, really, but I think that we have chance here. There we are. And I'm glad it's 1 minute, because I think 2 minutes wouldn't be enough. See, it starts to lose power here a little bit. So maybe it was the correct option to do, this option. So let's go to the next one here, for example. Okay. There's this gap there. That's interesting. Okay, so we have 1 minute time. We're gonna do a couple of thousand option now. So this is actually looking pretty interesting. We're breaking through the zigzag in this case. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a call option here for 2000. See, it breaks through the zigzag line. Really, it follows it, but it actually breaks through it. So surely we have time. 1 minute is enough. So let's see if that works out, really. But I'm positive about this one. I think this is a good one. Here you see that it worked out. And the time is about to finish. And here we are. We have our profit, 3,740 from this one option. In total, there's almost 4,000 that we made. I mean, we started with a good amount, but still. Let's go to here and let's check out the next. So we can make a 3,000 option, and let's do it. Let's do a trend option. We see that there is a bullish trend, but we also see a good pullback there. So, and also there is as you can see, there is a resistance level that the active had just broke also. So that's a good sign. And yeah, let's wait for the result, but I'm positive about this one as well. Here it is, $5,610 from this one option. It was 3,000 option, but still, it's a really nice increase in our balance. Okay, let's go here, for example, or here. It's similar. Both are pretty similar. There's an indication to go up, really. So why don't we make a nice big option here? Yeah, let's go in with $6,000 option into a long. Ooh. Let's wait for this pullback to finish, hopefully. And yeah, the trend is actually bullish, so I'm pretty positive about this one. So let's wait for the result and see. And here are the correct options, bringing you the needed profits. 87% on this one, not too bad. not highest, but it made us pretty good balance for today. And today's session is over, guys. We're gonna stop here. If you enjoyed this session, if you enjoyed the content in general, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Hit that bell icon to get notified of the videos that are coming out, and I'll see you all next time. Also, don't forget about the description to this video with all the links and necessary information for your own experience. All the best. See you next time. Bye.